Hi, this is Kong, your e-commerce specialist. So today let's talk about traffic to your products. So when you want to sell something online, you need a lot of people to look and see your products. Only more people will buy. So one of the best ways to get free traffic to your product without paying anything is to join campaigns. So in Lazada, they have a lot of campaigns for you to join. So today I will explain to you why you need to join campaigns and how to join campaigns. So come, let's go to the video. Okay, so how and why you should join campaigns and how to sell well during the campaigns to get great sales. Yeah. So in this video, I will introduce you to different type of campaigns that you can join in Lazada as a seller. Okay, so campaigns are actually very special sales event, highly targeted traffic that will promote all your online products and will drive a lot of sales, a lot of traffic, and increase your basket size of your products. So from the marketing perspective, right, all these campaigns have a lot of effort lah, social media lah, digital content, all driving traffic into your products. Okay, so from search engines, email campaigns, and a lot of other channels that will bring traffic, okay, to the platform and to your products if you join. So for us as seller, all we have to do is to give a lot of promotion and deals to Lazada. Okay, and this will drive massive traffic to your store and make them see your products and make them become your customer. Okay, Lazada offer a lot types of campaigns that are suitable for certain people. Okay, and from small, okay, to big, okay, they have a lot of campaigns, especially like daily sales campaigns and brand mega offers. So very big campaigns, okay, can be for single category like baby day or multiple category like 1111, such as fashion and such. Okay, and mega campaigns are very very famous sales days, say like 9 9 11 11 10 10 11 12 12. Okay, all those are very famous ones that will drive massive traffic to your products. Okay, and campaigns usually run on a very short limited time, for example a few days, okay, and really motivates the customer. Oh, you're faster, I need to purchase these items, if not the sale will be over. Okay, and by joining these Lazada campaigns, your shop can enjoy all these following perks. Okay, number one, okay, you can increase a lot of traffic, means a lot of people will see your products, okay, through the special campaign page that will feature some of your products that you submitted. And number two, it will increase brand and product awareness, okay, because a lot of traffic will go into that campaign. Okay, and number three, that all this will increase your sales because there will be a high surge of traffic going to your products. So remember that joining campaigns will actually bring massive traffic to your products and to your store. So let me share with you how to create and join product campaigns. Remember, number one, to submit in the 12/12 campaign all your promotion items here. Okay, look here, you need to press join. And tip number two, not only that, you need to submit your campaign vouchers, 12/12 campaign vouchers under here, voucher campaign, and you submit your 12/12 vouchers. And then tip number three, okay, under promotions, make sure that you already have all your promotions going on. For example, flexi combo, vouchers, make sure you have joint free shipping, all those to get massive sales and conversion during the 12/12. And of course, tip number four is make sure all your bubble wrap and your manpower and your tape, everything that you need during that day is sufficient to cover the massive orders. So I wish you guys all the best, and everybody, let's increase our sales. So if you have enjoyed this video, please help me like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, which I share a lot of tips on how to make money in e-commerce. So that's me, Kong, your Lazada certified trainer and your e-commerce coach, which I have helped a lot of my sellers and my students which have started from zero, or those who have just wanted to grow bigger in online. I've helped them grow their store, and if you would like me to help you too, don't hesitate to reach out to me. The links are below.